Okay, so welcome back. I'm just getting ready to go out for date night, fave activity with the hubby, and we're just going to get dinner. So I already did my skin makeup. I want to do my eye look now. And what I think I want to do is kind of maybe like I'm feeling like a gold shimmery look. So I'll go ahead and take this fluffy brush. I'm using this Morphe Night Master palette to put down my initial base or transition color. So I'll use Opal right here and just dip it in there, tap off the excess, and let me make sure that I don't block this. And I'm gonna put this base or transition color more so in my crease and a little bit above it because I want to create an illusion of a bigger eyelid space. And I'm trying to avoid putting too much on my actual eyelid because I want to put probably a gold shimmer or something down there. So I think that'll do it. So back and forth, round motions. And I don't think I want to put the gold all the way in or all the way on directly. So I'll use a flat synthetic brush to put down like a, let's see what I want to put down. Maybe I'll put down this kind of lighter shimmer first, Talent. I'm not gonna wet it because I'm lazy and it's just gonna go underneath my other shimmer. So I'll probably end up wetting my other shimmer, but take Talent and this flat brush here. I'm going to put on my eyelid and I'm gonna cover my whole eyelid and follow the shape of my crease and bring it up a little bit higher. Like so. Take a little bit more. This is kind of like buttery feeling, the texture of this eyeshadow. And again, I'm putting it on my eyelid and taking it a little bit above the crease to make my eye look a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's kind of like a little bit to put down as a base for the shimmer I want to do. So I'll go ahead and take this same brush and I'll wet it a little bit with this, this Fix Plus. And I'm gonna take my Pat McGrath, what is this called? Sublime Mothership 2, I can't remember what it's called. And I'll take this gold color here. See how shiny it is? I don't think I've used it before. Is this even wet? And I'll dip in here. It's really foily, so let me put this better. There it goes. See that? And I'll go ahead and put it here just in the center of my eye for a halo effect. Like so. Ooh, wow, look at that. And I'll do the same on the other side. That's pretty. Okay, so you can kind of see, can you see how it's kind of, how it looks in the pan? And I'm gonna go back and take that initial brush that I did my transition color. I'm not gonna put any more eyeshadow on it, but kind of go like this to blend in the sides of the shimmer I just put in the center of my eye. Okay, since I already did my face makeup, I'll go ahead and I want to do some smokiness per usual on the bottom of my eye again. So I'll take again this opal color first and I'll put it underneath my eye like so. Whoa. All the way in to the inner corner, and then you can bring this down, this color down pretty low too, because what I'm going to do next is take another darker color for the waterline more on the outside to create an eyeliner yet smoky look. So same brush. I think I want to do black. Let's go back to the Pat McGrath, and I'm going to go into the black here, which a little bit goes a long way. So I want to use a light hand when I'm dipping in and a light hand when I'm putting it on my eye as well. So I'm actually just kind of tapping it on here. Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do next, kind of just evening this out, I'm gonna put on some liquid liner and with a little wing, and then a light liner in the waterline to open up the eyes, and then I'll come back and finish the rest of my face. Okay, so the wing liner was not in the cards today, so I just kept it as a regular eyeliner on the top of my lid, and I had to clean it up, and I actually intensified the gold on my lids as well. So what else did I do? Oh yeah, I used this, did I bring it out? Pixie by Petra eyeliner on the inside of my waterline to make the eyes pop and look bigger. So now we're just gonna finish up with the rest of the cheek makeup by doing some contouring, blush, and highlight. And you can see too, my lips look funny because I put, let me get a mirror. I put foundation earlier when I was doing my face makeup over my lips, so that when I do my lip color, it will be even and pop more. So I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of, let's see, cream contouring around here, around the face, here down on the jawline, and then down the nose as well. I don't want to do it too dark. Okay. And then I don't have a nose bridge, so I'm gonna like take it up towards the eyes as well. And I guess just like a little right here to make the chin look round. So, and this is LA Girl Pro Conceal. Hi Brooklyn, stop. In Toast. And I'm gonna take this flat kabuki brush and blend everything out. Let's see. So here. And just be careful, turn it here and then kind of go up so that the contour doesn't go down too low. Blend, blend, blend. And then actually I need to go grab a different brush for my nose to be smaller. Otherwise it's going to go everywhere. Okay, need to blend on this side and do it back. Okay, I need to be quick with this. I actually took a big fluffy brush or face brush that didn't have anything on it and went over everything so it wasn't as harsh. And I'm just gonna take this this Marc Jacobs bronzer and just tap it on top of where I put the liquid contour or bronzer to set it. And just do that really quickly because we gotta go here, and this will help you blend it out as well. Okay. All right. Next we'll do brush, and actually I want to try this technique putting on the blush with a fan brush that I saw Nikki Tutorials do on a video, and this is a MAC blush in Melba. Just gonna dip it on here and then put it around my blush area, and it's nice because you can really control where the blush is gonna go. Seems like there's a little bit of highlight in here too. Oops. All right. Because I don't necessarily want big rosy cheeks. It's just gonna make my face look bigger. So there's the blush, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this liquid highlight on a dampened beauty sponge on here. and I should use a mirror. Put it on the usual areas. So, whoopsie, here on the tops of the cheekbones, here on Cupid's bow, the tip of my nose there, and I'll try to like use my finger to put it a little bit on the bridge of my nose to complement the contour. There's that. I'm just gonna blend it in a little bit, and I'm actually going to use some powder highlight on top of it to make it pop. I'll just use the same fan brush I used for the blush. Oops. Go here. Whoa, hello. Right here. Okay. All right, take a little bit. There. Whoa, hi. All right. Right here. All right, so, and then lastly, we'll do lips, and I'm gonna do, I wanna do a bright color because it's summertime. And I wanted to do MAC and Ruby Woo, a cult favorite, but I couldn't find it, so I'm gonna do this neon orange. And I'll go ahead and put on my liner, and then here's the neon orange. All right, so here's the finished look, and then I'll just finish it off with this setting spray, my MAC Fix Plus, and then I just ate it. And I want to like help dry this off too, so all the makeup sticks. I'm feeling very geisha right now. All right, so here's the finished look. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.